Hello, everyone over there at Keon Jinn Mirror. My name is Charles, and thanks for replying to my post. And like I said, this short customized video showing you a couple of recommendations I can give you for your site, and show you the numbers of people who are looking for your services. And these recommendations, you can give them to your team, whoever does your website, implement them, and hopefully you'll see more and more people come into your website. So the three things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Content is everything that's on your pages. All the text, the words behind the pictures as well. The pictures, so for example, if I'm trying to save that image, I can see it's saved as a random string of letters and numbers right now. It's advisable with Google to save your images with keywords, and I'm going to get into keywords in just a minute. But make sure you save your images with keywords. To optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that shows who you are, what you do, locations you serve, any specialties, everything so that Google can tell that you're relevant within whichever niche that you're in. And within that text, saturated with keywords. Now, keywords, what are keywords? Keywords are those words that people type into Google to look for your services or your product. For example, if I was looking for something of yours and I searched this before, like a full-length LED mirror, that's a keyword. It's a phrase that someone types into Google to search for you. So make sure you saturate your all your text with these keywords so that Google knows that you're relevant for this search and brings you up in front of these searches. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations are whenever your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. Different directories. The more you're cited in different directories, the more citations you have, and the more relevant those directories are, the better it is in terms of Google knowing your relevancy. A lot of the times when it comes to local searches, citations will help you get to the top of what's known as the map pack right here. So this is when you have a map of the local area and then 3 businesses within that area. Now, the reason I'm kind of hesitating while talking about this is because this is not a local search. Local search would be if someone is, say, looking for a full-length LED mirror in Philadelphia, for example. Now, that's a local search. Then citations would really help you get to the top of this map pack. Citations also help you in terms of national searches, but usually I tell clients with local services or local products, citations will really help them get to the top of the map pack. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks. Imagine if the internet is a collection of web pages. A backlink is one web page linking to your site, that driving traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same, because imagine if it is a McDonald's website driving traffic to you. Google sees that, knows that you're in different niches, and considers that a bit more spammy. Though if it's a manufacturer's forum driving traffic to you, to your site, Google will see that you're in the same niche, same kind of business, and it's from a respectable forum. So therefore, Google sees you more relevant and starts to bring you up more for these kinds of searches. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and with it, I want to compare your site in terms of this search versus, let's say, these guys here, number 3, Wayfair. This is a huge website, but we're only going to look at the page that Google brings up. So here we go. For that exact page, there are 0 backlinks from 0 domains, but I want to just show you that the URL rating of the page itself is 14. the domain rating, the entire domain, wayfair.com, has a domain rating of 86. This is a very powerful site. Whereas for you, the product page, you again, zero backlinks, zero referring domains. However, your domain rating is low because you don't have as many backlinks, and the URL rating, the power of that specific page, is also very low. Google's picking up for 17 keywords. Now this is where the numbers come in. So full length LED mirror, Google recognizes you for that. However, you're getting almost zero traffic because you're on the 19th position. Whereas your friends over here, your competition, looking at the keywords Google is picking them up for, I can see full length LED mirror, 400 people search for that a month. They get 43 people coming to their site because they're in the 3rd position. If you remember, they're number 3 for this search. So I want you just to look at the other kind of kind of keywords that these guys are ranking for. So full length mirror with lights. About 3,400 people search for that every month. And they get 238 people because they're in the 2nd position. If we look at the entire website, so I'm going to go just wayfair.com because that's only one product page. We can see that they have about 70,000 referring domains, giving them 14 million backlinks. Now, this is obviously they've been in business for a long time, and they've added tons of products, and they have very good SEO, definitely. But this is why they're also ranking high for just one product page. But it is possible to beat this page in itself for your products, because you can see here they have barely any backlinks and domains. So for your product pages, the different products that you have, you can work on them so that you can beat your much stronger competition, Home Depot and these guys, Amazon, for those specific product pages. If you work on them and you apply a lot of backlinking content, and make sure your citations are getting up there. So those are the 3 things I want to talk about. Keon, thanks for your time. My name is Charles. If you want to just take them, use these recommendations, content, citations, and backlinks, and remember about keyword research. It's very good to research your competitors, see the pages that they rank for certain keywords, and see how you can actually start to beat them and grab some of that traffic, because as I could see that a lot of these same products that you have a lot of searches, and these guys are beating them because they're getting a lot of traffic because of their position on Google. So I would definitely advise you guys to take these recommendations, use them. If you'd like to work together, I'd love to do that. Just get back in touch with me. I am just going to ask you for feedback from this video. And thank you. Have a great rest of your day.